Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Thursday, our second to last day of Quarantine-A-THON, and I'm going to be doing this look for you guys today using our brand new Lancome foundation as well as our Tatcha Silk Liquid Canvas, Tatcha Liquid Canvas Silk Primer. So if you guys are ready to see this tutorial and everything and all the new products and stuff, then please stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump into today's look. So for this look, I'm gonna be using my Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. And you guys might remember this from my first BoxyCharm haul. But I actually did do a makeup look with this, but today I'm gonna show you guys a makeup look with it. So I did go ahead and do my brows off camera because you guys have a tutorial on that. So refer back to that if you guys wanna see me do my brows. First, I'm gonna actually go ahead and prime my skin. And today we're gonna be using our Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas. And this is my first time using this, you guys, so I'm really excited. I'll just pump it on my face. Okay, and so I've heard some really good things about this stuff. I hope I didn't put too much. Low-key put too much. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna prime my eyes using my Fenty Beauty concealer, and then I'm gonna set that in place as well by using my Laura Mercier setting powder. So my skin actually feels really good. It doesn't feel tacky, but it definitely feels like a nice, like, smooth layer is on top. It doesn't feel like the Benefits Professional, that's for sure. It does not feel like that. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by using Sunset Rose, and I'm gonna just lightly apply that to my lid. We're just gonna do just like a light brush just so that it kind of helps us blend out the other colors. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Nocturnal and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that into my crease. And you wanna build it up to like get it to like a deep, like winey color. So you wanna take your time and really pack the color on. I'm gonna take Sangria and I'm gonna go ahead and focus this on that crease. And these are actually really easy to blend out. Like, it's not getting stuck and getting patchy. This is like very smooth. And just doing that one eye, you can see the difference in the deepness in this eye compared to this one. I'm gonna go ahead and take that first fluffy brush that we used to lay our first color, and I'm gonna go back into that, and I'm gonna just kind of soften the edges. I'm gonna take Hibiscus, and I'm gonna just pack that onto my brush, and I'm gonna pack that on my lower lid. And with this color, I'm gonna go a little bit higher on this middle section here, but I'm gonna show you guys in a second why we're doing that. So now that we have that, I'm gonna use that second smallest, fluffier brush that we used for that deep Sangria color. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of deepen a little bit where that color is. So pretty much the crease, but not that middle piece right there. And I'm not putting any extra product on here, just using this with whatever was left on the brush. So next I'm going to take our Stila Liquid Eyeshadow in a Rose Gold Retro, and I'm going to take a small flat type of flat brush, I guess, and I'm going to just grab some of the product onto my brush, and I'm going to apply that right down that middle section and kind of blend that into the eyeshadow. I'm going to start in the middle, I'm going to go up, and I'm gonna just kind of taper this into the eyeshadow. But I'm not gonna go all over my lid. I'm just gonna kind of focus it in that middle section right there. Okay, so now we're gonna jump into the face, and today the new foundation that we're gonna be using is our Lancome foundation. And As you guys saw from my Sephora haul, I kind of was on the fence about the color range for this and the Pat McGrath Labs because compared to the NYX that we actually tried out and we realized, ooh, that does not work out. Like that was way too dark. But I don't know, I just kind of feel like this might be too light. But let's go ahead and give it a try. So we did go ahead and already prime our skin using our Tatcha Canvas Liquid Silk, or our Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas. And now I'm gonna go ahead and shake this up first, as a matter of fact, and I'm gonna just pump some on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use a foundation brush to blend this in, but first I'm gonna actually go ahead and just kind of swatch it. So, it's hard to say, and I don't know if this oxidizes or what the case might be with this, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just putting it all over my face. We're about to see what happens. It's doing a pretty decent job so far, I must say. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender, and honestly, I don't know what's up with this beauty blender. Like, it will not bounce back to like beauty blender shape. It has this weird like putty type of feel to it ever since I washed it, and it was super soft when I pulled it out of the package, and I was just like, dang, this is extra soft. And now it just won't bounce back. It's weird because even when I wring it out, like if I go like this, it takes the shape of like my hand doing this. It's so ugly and it's so weird. I don't know what's going on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty concealer, and I'm gonna just conceal my typical places underneath my eye, my forehead, my chin. And for this look, since it already kind of looks like it's about to be more like, you know, of a bait sauce because this eye look, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of do my little underneath contour as well. And I'll blend this out first with my brush, and then I'll go over it with my beauty blender. Now I'm gonna set those places using my Laura Mercier setting powder, and we're not baking, we're not baking. We're gonna use our Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle to contour. Y'all know the drill. I like this foundation because it's not too matte and it's not like super dewy. It's like, there's a real natural finish to it. The product on top seems to blend easily, and it's not like the NYX foundation because that shit got stuck. Like that was really matte. Like I think that's too matte for my likings. Okay, so let me go ahead and just pat a little powder on my forehead. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I don't have a brand new powder, but that's okay because this still works. So I'm gonna use that to go ahead and set my face first and brush off any of that powder. Some powder got left behind, but like we didn't intentionally bake. And to contour, I'm going to take my Black Radiance contour in the shade Ebony. I'm going to blow some of this off because this has a lot of like powder when you like grab some product. So a little too much. So we're going to go ahead and just contour where we did with our actual stick contour. And then we can go down our nose with what's ever left. I'm gonna just take that brush that I used to set my entire face with no extra product and just blend all of that stuff together. I really am liking this foundation so far. Like, it looks really, really good. The color is on point. Like, all right, I guess I was always like, if I really had to gauge from just looking at a color, obviously I'd be wrong because the NYX trash, but this, I guess this, we're gonna give this a thumbs up, so this on point. For blush, I'm gonna be using Raisin by MAC. This has just been the one that I've been using all week, so I'm gonna just stick with one shade. And no, this is not new. And then if that is a little too much for you, go ahead and just take that brush, just kind of soften that up. So before I go ahead and set the rest of my face, I'm gonna jump back into my eyes and I'm gonna go back in with the Ace Beauty palette. I'm gonna take the same colors that we used originally, so Sunset Rose, Nocturnal, and Sangria, and I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out my bottom lashes. Next, I'm gonna take my eyeliner and we're gonna go ahead and create a wing. This is not new either. You guys know this, but I love this, so I'm gonna just try to create a soft wing. Okay, and then I'm also gonna line my bottom lash line using my e.l.f. eyeliner. And then I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Shake and Glow Dewy Mist and I'm gonna just spray my face generously. Alrighty, and I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with my Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown. And then highlight everywhere else that you want to highlight too, sis. So that lip, that nose, go down. And I like to do the tip with my finger, just pop a little bit there. Just a little. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes off camera using my brand new e.l.f. little eyelash tweezer. So hopefully this takes a few seconds and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead to put my lashes on, and these are the same e.l.f. lashes that I used yesterday, the Luxe Lash Kit that I got. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go ahead and check out my Sephora Target haul. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my Mile High Club Mascara to go ahead and apply to my bottom lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna line my lips using my Huda Beauty Spice Girl lip liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill my lips using this NARS lip pigment and Call Me. Oh my gosh. I was not, y'all. I was not expecting this to look like, oh my gosh. Whoa, that's coral leafy. That does not look like that in the bottle. This is terrible. Oh my gosh, I hate it. I'm gonna make it work. Oh my gosh, it's so ugly. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead, we're gonna keep filling in our lips and we're gonna come down a little bit more to meet this Call Me color. Oh gosh. Y'all, this is so freaking, no, this is ugly. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna just try to see if I can blend these two together and blend it out so that this can tone it down. Yo, I don't know who that color will look good on, but not me. Oh no. Don't call me, sis. Not with that. You guys, I was trying to touch up my lash. I take the lash glue out and then it, oh my God, I'm about to scream. I'm really gonna scream at the top of my lungs. Like, this is just, wow. That was the most hater shit if I've ever seen any. Wow. Oh my God. Why? Why did that happen? You know, that will be hard at work, y'all. He ain't gonna get me. I'm gonna keep it calm. I'm not gonna scream. I'm gonna just wipe this off and try to fix. I can't believe that shit just happened. Now I'm getting even more upset because, like, disrespect. Dang. I don't even want to fix my lash no more. Like, forget it. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me use all these brand new products, and hopefully some of this stuff, you know, is something that you would probably try out for yourself. I think this Lancome foundation is actually it's pretty bomb. I gotta go outside and see it in a different light though, because you know, under all these lights and then outside, I feel like stuff kind of looks a little bit different. So let me know what you guys think about this video down below in the comment section. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys did like it. And we have one more day left for this quarantine-a-thon, and that will be tomorrow, and that will be featuring our Pat McGrath Labs foundation, an expensive one. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you guys can see when that video releases, and don't forget to check out all these other videos that we've been doing this week and get familiar and get ready for our last and final makeup look. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.